Hello, my name is Andy. I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. And if you watched my last video in Bassetlaw, Wiston, you'll know exactly where I'm starting this one. I'm still in Drakeholes to begin the parish of Everton. Clearly Everton had some kind of old brewery here. This house I'm stood outside here is Old Brewery House, and then there's another house on the corner there which says Old Brewery on it. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of research into that to just see if it is indeed, or what kind of brewery it is, or was. So this is pretty cool. Now obviously you've seen parish maps before on my channel, but this is an actual OS map, and it's not great because you can't see the boundaries like perfectly, but they are there. And here is Drakeholes, where my finger is, and if you remember that's where we started. It's not very clear, but you can see the boundary that runs between Drakeholes, Weiston and Everton, just there. So I've just walked down the main road so I could film the village sign for the thumbnail, and up there I believe there's a garden centre called Pusto Hill. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but it certainly looks like a garden centre. So it's a little bit further to walk, so I didn't bother walking to that. But something else that intrigued me was on the village sign there's what appears to be a windmill, or an old windmill of some description. Now I don't know where that is, but before I leave this village I'm going to do my best to find it. So to no avail, I couldn't find the windmill in the main village. So I did a quick Google search just before I hopped back in the car, and I found out it's on Mattsey Road. And now I'm stood right outside it. Okay, anybody who is watching this, it's from a link that I post in the Everton Village and surrounding areas Facebook group. Hello. You're now on the same notice board as me in Harwell. Okay guys, that's it for Everton, and with it the hamlet of Harwell. I'm not sure if Harwell is pronounced Harwell in the same way that Torworth is pronounced Torworth by some people around here. It's the same part of Nottinghamshire, so it's highly likely that the W is silent, but maybe that's something you guys can tell me in the comments or wherever else you see this. So yeah, that's Everton. Nice little village with a windmill, which I'd never seen before, and I've been through Everton a lot in the past, but never noticed it. So don't know how I've missed it before now, but there you go. It's in the video. Hope you've enjoyed this one. This has been the parish of Everton, and I'm off to do my next one. I've been the village idiot, and I'm out.